we search this room. And as we wrap around and we search this room accidentally or so, we wind up shutting the door that leaves. And all of a sudden, the door don't work, we have no handle. In our area, we have a lot of low income, and they take the doorknobs off on purpose. In your area, it could happen just a honeydew list that just never got completed yet. But now we're locked in this room. So we have a wall breach, we know. We have glue on door. But if you think you're going to get under here and you're going to force this way, it's not going to happen. It just binds up. So what we do, really simple. I gauge with my foot. I come in here. I go in the door and jam. In the door and jam. This is my left. In the door and jam.